This is one of the best scalping strategies that you can use without any indicators. We are only going to be using pure price action and market structure. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking this entire scalping strategy down from the beginning till the end. So please do not skip through anything if you want to master this strategy. So for this scalping strategy, I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame to enter the trade. So the first thing before you do anything is that you want to identify the trend direction. So what I'll do is to go to the 1 hour time frame to find out like what's the momentum of the market, to find out like the overall trend direction. Is the market going up, or is it going down, or is it going sideways? And guys, make sure that you are just focusing on what price is doing right now. You do not want to be looking at price all the way up here because it's irrelevant, you know what I mean? Like it's irrelevant. Like because we are scalping, we are only going to be using a 5-minute time frame to look for our entry. There is absolutely no point of like going all the way back to 2008 to look at what price is doing. You know, just focus on what price is doing right now, which is right here. Right now, you can clearly see that price is in a downtrend because price has been making your lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. You can see that price has just been going down and then now it just made this major retracement, and that's the first sign, right? That's the first sign that tells us that price is in a downtrend. The second sign is that if you zoom in right here, you can see that price has just break through the last higher low, which is right here. So this is a break of structure. Remember market structure, guys. I've already done a video on market structure, so if you have not watched that video, go watch that video next after you finish this video. So right now, since the market has just broke the previous higher low, I'm expecting price to come back up to retest this level and then shoot back down just like this. So right now, I'm gonna enter to the 5-minute time frame to look for my entries. So right now, all you need to do is to wait for price to come back up to retest this level and then enter for the trade. So basically, you want to go to the 1 hour time frame to identify your trend direction. Is price in an uptrend or downtrend or consolidation? And you also want to look out to see if price has broken structure, if price break any previous lows or previous highs or any pullbacks. And another secret for you is that you want to focus on what price is doing right now rather than what price is doing all the way back here, because that is irrelevant. So after you have found your trend direction on the 1 hour time frame, go to the 5-minute time frame to look for price to break structure. Here's what I mean. So the next step is to look for break of structure. So after you went down to the 5-minute time frame, you want to be looking for any break of previous highs or previous lows or any pullbacks. So in this case, what you can do is to take out your trend line tool or line tool or whatever and then mark up your recent low. So this is your recent low. This is the last higher low that we have identified on the 1 hour time frame. And then right here is your recent high because this is the highest point price went to recently. The reason why I marked up this level as the previous higher low is because if you look towards the left, you can see that price has just been creating your higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows before price go up to create your new higher high. And you can see right now, this is the most recent higher low. This is the last higher low. So right now, what you want to do is to wait for price to break through the previous higher low and then come back up to retest it and then go back down, and then that is when you enter for a sell. Or if you want to enter for a buy, you have to wait for price to break the previous high, which is this high right here, come back down to retest it and then go back up. Then this is when you enter for a buy. So right now, these are the two scenarios that can happen. Price can either break past this high and go back up. In that case, you want to wait for price to pull back and then enter for a buy. Or price break through the last higher low, come back up to retest this level and then go back down. That is when you enter for a sell. So you sell here or you buy here. Those are the two choices that you have. So right now, we want to see what price does next. Does price break through the high or break through the low? So we still wait, and you can see right now, price just broke through the last higher low. So do we enter right here? Hell no, because we want to wait for price to pull back to this level and then give us a confirmation for us to enter for the trade. And then that confirmation will show us that this is actually a valid downtrend and price is going to head back down. And then right here, you can see like price is starting to pull back up to this higher low. So after price has pulled back, you want to wait for confirmation. So before you enter for the trade, if you are looking to sell, you want to look for long upper wick candles or bearish engulfing candlesticks. And if you are entering for a buy, you want to look for long lower wick candles or bullish engulfing candlesticks. So these momentum candlesticks will show you that price is rejecting this key level and it's going to continue with the overall trend direction. So in this case, price has not gave us the momentum candlestick yet. It just pulled back to this higher low. So we still wait. And you can see right here, this is when price gave us a bearish engulfing candlestick, which show us that price is rejecting this key level. So I'll just enter for a sell right here, place my stop loss above this bearish engulfing candlestick right here. And for our take profit, you want to place it at 2 times your stop loss. So you literally just drag your take profit until you see 2 right here. So you drag it, and right here, you can see 2 right here. So this is our take profit. So this is the 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So if you are risking $100, if you win this trade, you're going to be making $200. So let's take a look at how this trade play out. And you can see right here, price went down and smashed our take profit. Right here, boys. So after you have smashed your take profit, just continue doing the exact same thing. Just take out your trend line tool or your line tool and just mark the previous lows and highs. So right now, price has not given us any valid highs and lows yet, so we still do not do anything. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price is going to be approaching the low right here. This is the very strong support area right here. You can see whenever price come back down here, it always bounces back up. Come back down, bounce back up 3 times. So now we are expecting price to come back all the way down to this support area that we have drawn right here. And we can just delete this because we have closed this trade, and you can delete this line right here because it's irrelevant. And right now we are just looking at price in this range right here. So right now I'm waiting for price to come back down to this area to show me some sort of confirmation to see what price is going to do next. So we still wait, and you can see right here, price has went back all the way down to this area right here. And you can see it just starts consolidating at this area. So in this example, I'll go to the 5-minute time frame to see like any break of structure or anything. So once you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that price has just broke the key level that we have drawn on our 1 hour time frame and just came back up here. So in this case, what you can do is that you can draw another higher low right here. You can mark up this high right here, and you can see price has just broken the last high, the previous high, and then come back down to retest it, right? So the moment it come back down to retest this area, we are waiting for some sort of confirmation for us to enter for the trade. And as you can see in this case, prices gave us multiple long lower wick candles right here. You can see multiple long lower wick candles, and then it gave us a bullish engulfing candlestick right here, which show us that price is going to reverse and it's going to head back up. So I will enter for a buy right here when I see this bullish engulfing candlestick, place my stop loss below it, and then place my take profit at 2 times my stop loss, which is all the way up here, 2 times my stop loss. And let's look at how this trade play out. Absolutely smash your take profit. This is our second win in the back, baby. And by the way, guys, this scalping strategy works on gold, US30, crypto, or whatever that you trade. This strategy works because this strategy is based on the concept of market structure, and market structure is why the market moved the way it moved, right? The market moved in waves, move in market structure. The price has to respect market structure. So let me show you this strategy on gold. So you can see right now, price has just been creating your downtrend, and then at this point of time, right here, price has just broke structure because this is the last lower high. So we can pretty much just see that price has just been making your lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So this is the last lower high. So yeah, at this point of time, price has shown us that price might be breaking structure and price might be reversing to become an uptrend right now. So in this case, what I want to do is to go to the 5-minute time frame and mark my recent lows and highs, like all the way up here. There's a recent high here, break through the recent high, and then you can just look at what price is doing recently, and you can see there's another high right here, and price just broke through another high and another high right here. So we can pretty much just see that price has just been making higher highs and higher lows on a 5-minute time frame. So at this point of time, let's just look at what price does. We can draw like a little higher low right here. This is the last higher low, so we just wait to see. Okay, wait for it. So this is where price has just broke the last higher low. So we are waiting for price to pull back up to this last higher low and then enter for the trade. So we still wait and see. You can see right here, price has just been going down, and then you can see at this point, price is giving us your long wick candles. Remember, we want to enter for a sell when we see long upper wick candles at the pullback. So this is where we can enter for a sell position right here. Place my stop loss above this long upper wick candle and place my take profit at 2 times my stop loss, which is all the way down here. So you can just see, like, let's look at what price does take, and price went down to smash your take profit. At this point of time, what you can do once again is to just remove all these lines right here, and right now mark your new higher lows, which is, new lower highs and lower lows. This is the new lower low, so we are waiting for price to pull back up to this area and then enter for a sell. So we still wait. Okay, so you can see at this point of time, this is when price pull back all the way up to this level, but it has not give us a bearish engulfing candlestick or a long upper wick candle yet, so we still wait. And you can see right here. Right here, still no. Right here, wait for it. Right here, guys, this is when price gave us like a bearish engulfing candlestick. Actually, no, this is not really a nice candlestick, so we still wait. Yeah, so you can see price just been like consolidating around this area here. Just consolidating around this area here. Let's just speed this up a little bit, and you can see right here just consolidating. So at this point, this is when you can enter for a sell position right here. Place your stop loss above this long wick candle. Place your take profit at 2 times your stop loss, which is right here. And look at what price does next. Okay, you can see like price is just going down, retrace a little bit, and then you can see price went back down and smash our take profit right here, guys. Right here, we have smashed our take profit and we have gotten out of the trade. This was more of an intraday trade instead of a scalping trade. And honestly, a nicer entry would be if you enter for a sell right here. When you see this bearish engulfing candlestick right here, and then place your stop loss above it, place your take profit at 2 times your stop loss, which is like somewhere right around here. And at this point of time, you could have just got out of this trade right here. So this will be a nicer trade. So this entire strategy is based on the concept of market structure, which you must master if you want to become a successful trader. So if you want to learn more about market structure, you can check out this video right here, which I did like a full-length tutorial on how to use market structure to your advantage, how to trade market structure. So click on this video right here to find out more. Smash the like button if this video is helpful and click on that subscribe button. And remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.